going on, people? Outside with it, with the Vigilante. And I've made some more changes to it, guys. Check it out. So Vitavon steering links. Did a little paint to it. Got a new body for it. Definitely gonna go ahead and put it in the sun so you guys can see what it's looking like. Change the tires out to some lockup X Dirt Tracks tires, belted tires. And I'm just gonna put it on the ground in front of my crib really quick. And then I'll cut it back on once the sun goes down so we can see it lit up. Because it looks like a different truck at night. So with that being said, let's see what it looks like on the road. Let's get it. All right, guys, check it out. It's got candy, pearl in the paint. That color flip right there. Mode in the front. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Really quick rip. All right, guys. So as you can see, there's cars parked on the curb. So I can't see down the block, and I gotta stay in the shade so my GoPro don't turn off on me. As you can see what you're looking like. The only thing I don't like about it is that the gearing is loud. It's really loud. Especially out here in these streets. Because I don't have the gear cover over it, you hear that metal on metal. You know. That color flip was sick right there. Look, I'm trying to capture the color flip in the sun. There it is. Yeah, that's nasty. Got smash in the back. Got smash in the back. And this is I got all the way down on 15% throttle. Y'all know what 30% do. So let me know what you guys think. It's the new Vigilante beast mode. Just want to see what the color look like in the sun. You feel me? Yeah, it's ready to burn rubber too. Yeah. Yeah, it's just unfortunate I can't rip it down this road because of these cars. And I do not want to flip it just yet. Yeah, it's profiling. I'm gonna bring it out, guys, when it get dark so we can see what it look like at night. We got the Hulk logo on the top. We got Hulk in the back. It's a theme truck. Don't know how long I'm gonna keep this theme, but I'm gonna rock with it until I decide to change it. It's different, you know, gotta be different. Had to get rid of, get away from the blue. You know, everyone who has a Vigilante is blue. It's only a couple of guys I didn't seen that actually painted the body. That's actually on social media with it. That's my boy Big Gap. And then it's another fella that I follow He painted his black, and that black looked really, really good. And Gab's got that burnt orange. That's fire too. Yeah, that's fire too. So I had to go ahead and personalize mine. You feel me? And put my stitches on it with the glow. I don't know if you guys noticed that the cage in the inside is painted too. You feel me? That's painted. Tail lights is painted. I got lights in the front that's really bright too. That's plugged up to a 3S battery that I don't have turned on right now. But them mugs is high beams for sure. And it's been a long time, it's been maybe 2 months, man, since I crashed it, and just been slowly but surely getting it together, getting it prepared, going through trials and tribulations with it. So as you guys know, I got the 800 kV in here with a 39 tooth pinion. So it's definitely, that's the biggest pinion you can put in here with that Vitavon motor mount without the cover. With the cover, I believe it's a 35. Without the cover, it's a 39. Anything bigger than that, it's not gonna have clearance to turn. So I can see anybody with a bigger KV can, maybe 12S if the gearing can take it, and can really do some damage with it. But that's a risk you got to take with this pot metal gears that this truck has, that Redcat used for the drive line. You know, mine have the rack and pin from Vitavon, the spiralized gearing. I had to replace that front and rear. It's just the transmission gearing is still kind of suspect. Yeah, guys, let me enough rambling. I'm gonna cut it back on when it said when that sun fall. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're at the park. It is hella windy out here. 3-minute run before it starts raining. So there she blows, there she glows. Let's get it. Check it out. It's blowing. You know what you guys think? Man, it's super bright. In the front, I'm not gonna put the camera on the headlights, but it's bright. As you can see, how much of the field she light up. See that? Yeah. It's a really quick night run, and gonna take it for a little bit more, spin it for a little bit more, then I'm getting up out of here, guys, before we get hit with this rain. Lights coming handy, man. Keep in mind, guys, this is 20, you probably can't see that. Let me see. Look at the speed. 23 miles an hour, and it's moving. I mean, 23 throttle speed. And then just heat this grass up. So I'm gonna have to bring it back during the day so we can get a nice little off-road speed run with it. And see what we're looking like with the belted tires on here. Nothing special. Just want to see how she glows. Yeah. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I just dropped the VALKYRIE video, so you guys can enter into the drawing that will be on September 1st. And just follow the rules, and I'll be picking a winner real soon here, guys. It's your boy, Mr. Mitos. Peace and blessings. I just felt some rain in my horn. I'm out. Peace.